Nigga get his ass popped.
I heard of Panama.
I'm really from the orange state, not no soda.
Oh God, bro. Give me a chance, bro. Landon, what you gotta say, bro?
Don't have kids.
We keep it cool, but any nigga get it. Money in the streets, go and get it. If this shit about God, then I'm with it.
Boys ain't got no muff sense, boy. This jump was deep, bro. Hey, y'all go check out Cruise with Mel Papa Clutcher, bro. Y'all go check him out, bro. He doing it. Come on in. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah, he done. He done, boys. No! No! Hey! Hey! There goes your thumbnail. There goes your thumbnail. That's crazy.
Back it up! Back it up!
Oh, watch the ditch.
Go through that bitch, man. Enzo, you got that. Enzo got that. Enzo, swing that. Hey, swing that. You went the wrong way! You supposed to go that way! Go that way! Go that way! You supposed to go that way! That way!
It ain't deep. It ain't deep.
Angel, that way, you got it!
Come on.
Wheel. Let's go! Come on, Max! You supposed to go through the water!
Bro, what the fuck? These ants! And where your truck at? Where your truck at? You got that, bro. Where that OBS at? Oh, if I know this, I should talk about that. Over there? I would have been wild. You be wild. He about to go through it right now. Hey. Yeah, but I'm on ball tires. All right,
No, that's a two-wheel drive. Draco, no!
That's a cool, go eat though. He gonna eat.
Oh, there he go. There he go. Hold on.
I told you, man. Tell your gangster.
Oh no, Drake. Big Mar Dog.
There you go. Watch out now.
Come on, Drake.
That's bad, but it's okay. Go ahead, man.
Come on, Draco. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was light. Oh, wait, where he going? Oh, wait, whoa. No. Uh-oh. The sand got the best of him.
That's that Florida right there.
Oh, wait, is he about to go? Buddy, what? Oh, not Izzo, bro! No! Oh, hell. Oh, he better go in. Oh! The flex go crazy. Damn, bruh. That bit whipped around on landing, bruh. God damn.